If you want to perform hard reset by using the recovery mode on Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G, then first of all we need to power off our smartphone. So press the power button and volume up button at the same time in order to open the power menu. And let's power it off. Now we need to go to the recovery mode, of course, so press and hold the power button and volume up button. But once you see the Xiaomi logo, you can just hold volume up. So press both buttons and hold them. And now we can release power button and just hold volume up. And after a few seconds, we should see the recovery mode. There we go. And here what we need to do is choose wipe data. So you can use volume up or down in order to navigate, and then confirm your choice by pressing the power button. And then once you are here, just go down one position to choose wipe all data, and once again confirm with the power button. And this is how we can perform the factory reset by using the recovery mode. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!